Show me your teeth.
Teeth.
Where's your tongue? Tongue. Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your eye? Where's your hair? Good job. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Where's your cheek?
Teeth.
Cheek.
Teeth.
Where's your ear? Good job. Where's your hair? Ooh, hair. Where's your lips? Good job. You being silly. Hi. Say my name is Carter.
Carter.
Say I'm 1 year old. Say I'll be 2 March 8th.
Hey.
March 8th. Is that your toy?
God.
Yeah. No, don't touch.
God.
Because then we can't see the camera. We can't see how handsome you are.
So